Title: Maya's Colorful Dream, a tale of painting, friendship, and triumph. In a picturesque village nestled among rolling hills, there lived a girl named Maya, who possessed an extraordinary passion for painting. From a young age, Maya's heart danced with the colors of her imagination, and her brush brought those visions to life on canvas. Maya's parents, while loving and supportive, couldn't help but worry about her future. They believed that the unpredictable world of art might not provide the security they desired for their daughter. But Maya was unyielding in her determination. Painting was not just her hobby, it was her purpose, her soul's expression. As the years passed, Maya devoted herself to perfecting her craft. She painted daily, experimenting with various techniques, and allowing her emotions to flow onto the canvas. With each stroke, she gained more confidence and skill. Maya's closest friend, Emma, was her biggest supporter. Emma often watched in awe as Maya's artwork evolved. She understood that Maya's passion ran deeper than mere interest. It was her calling. One day, word reached Maya about an upcoming art exhibition in the nearby city. It was an opportunity for local artists to showcase their work to a broader audience. Excitement coursed through Maya's veins, but so did a wave of self-doubt. What if her art wasn't good enough? What if people didn't understand her unique perspective? With Emma's unwavering encouragement, Maya decided to take the leap. She carefully selected her best pieces and prepared to share them with the world. As the day of the exhibition approached, Maya's anticipation grew, and she couldn't help but feel nervous. The exhibition day arrived, and as Maya walked through the gallery, she was struck by the variety of artwork on display. Each piece told a different story, and Maya marveled at the talent that surrounded her. Maya's paintings, vibrant and alive with color, drew the gaze of visitors. Her ability to convey deep emotions through her art resonated with people in ways she had never imagined. The feedback she received was overwhelmingly positive, and Maya realized that her paintings had the power to touch the hearts of others. Standing in front of her artwork, Maya felt a profound sense of accomplishment. She had faced her doubts head-on and emerged victorious. Her parents, who had once worried about her chosen path, now stood beside her, their hearts filled with pride. The success of the exhibition marked the beginning of Maya's journey as a professional artist. Her unique style and her ability to evoke emotions through her art set her apart in the competitive art world. Commissions poured in, and her paintings were sought after by art enthusiasts from around the globe. As Maya continued to paint and share her stories with the world, she became an inspiration to many. Her journey, fueled by determination and unwavering support from Emma and her family, showed that following one's passion and staying true to oneself could lead to remarkable achievements. Maya's story served as a reminder that in life, we sometimes need the support and encouragement of loved ones to pursue our dreams. It showed that with dedication, resilience, and the embrace of one's unique talents, dreams can indeed become a vivid and fulfilling reality. Maya's art, like her journey, reminded us all that color, emotion, and dreams can paint a beautiful life.